Hey,
CraftyTae
CraftyTae and Van.
Van.
So today we're about to open a surprise package that my dad bought off of Amazon. So let's start opening. So first, I'm going to cut it open and then Van's going to take it out.
Mm-hmm. And so I clean it.
I'm going to take it too.
I don't know what's in. Alright.
Whoa.
Okay, let me
go ahead and
open.
open what's inside. It's Crafty. It's CraftyTae and Van. It's Crafty. It's CraftyTae and Van.
It's crafty. CraftyTae and Van. It's crafty. It's CraftyTae and Van.
Whoa.
Okay, let me
go ahead and
open.
open what's inside. And take it out. Let me see the package. Okay. Okay.
That's it.
I just see something. It's really cool. Okay. Go ahead and take it out. What is this? I can tell you have to blow it up.
Okay, let me see it.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Open this up.
That's mine.
Wait. Take everything out. Wait, what is this?
It's for Halloween?
Oh, I know what this is!
Oh my gosh.
It's ring toss! Whoa, it's ring toss! And then these, and then you have to blow this big old thing up.
What
And then
is it?
basically,
We
these
can hang
you
it
have
up.
to get over. You have to get it over these. That's so cool! Okay, I just blew up the first ring.
Oh, dang it.
Now I'm going to blow up the second ring.
I'm already done doing this one. I
Right.
hope it's not coming out.
Oh, there's two of these. Here you go, man.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
You got the purple one. Guys, this is so cool. Okay, guys, I'm done with the first one. Well, I can't have smelly stuff about these.
Okay, I got my second one. Oh no! Oh no! I don't want the air to come out.
Oh, this other one. Wow, this one's hard.
Okay.
Let me do this one.
Okay, yeah. So we did blow up the ring toss thing that we had to throw, and I just noticed that it's a spider.
What?
And then I guess these, like, you can like hang them up on your wall or something, and then you have to like try to like throw them on. So this is actually really cool. It's going to be pretty hard, I think, but I like how it's a spider.
Oh,
Really
and
cool.
someone can sit in it. Like a baby. So when I'm
Okay, we're gonna blow up these how much do you more have? Okay,
Up
these
to
last
more.
ones, and we'll see you guys right back. Okay, I have two more, and she has two more. I'm gonna try that one right there. Darn it! It's the closest one. No! Ooh! She was so close. Ah! Oh no.
Oh,
Okay.
you cheated.
Okay. Okay, I got these. Let me try again. She got hers on. Yeah.
You got 10.
Aw. That was a silly one. Let me try that back one.
Oh, that was close.
Yay!
I'll put them down quick.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys my numbers that I got on. So so I got a 10. I got a 30 and a 50. No. I got a 10, a 50, and a 70. So my highest score is 70. So I'm so happy I got one. 70. So basically I have to.
Bring it. You just got one more. I made it. So I got 80.
Okay, so
So guys, I made one on 80. I made one on 10. And I made one at
another
20. At 20. Alright, so mine was 80.
and I got 120. So
that-
I won that round. Wait, I got an idea. Let's put them on our heads.
Oh, yeah. We might need to tie them. I'm not able to tie them.
No.
Those are mine. Your rings are right there.
I gotta fit on my pom-poms.
They don't
Okay,
fit on my
I'm gonna put
head.
My pom-pom out and my other pom-pom out. Okay, I got it on my head.
Since mine fits,
Mine
I
fits
had
too.
to. I had to. Okay, so I'm gonna put my ring right here to get to.
Okay, so you can go first.
That's
No!
close.
Let me try. No!
Ah.
No!
You're going next. Get my ring.
Okay, so we got our sister here, Takaya.
Takaya.
She's gonna play.
Bring those. Give her the rings, and
What?
I'm going to get
What?
to tie. Yeah.
No.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, right there. You have to try to get it on hers.
You have to try.
Okay.
So I'm
You wanna go first?
No, you go first.
You go first.
Ah,
Come on, go.
you go first.
I'll go like this.
You go first. Go first.
Okay, fine. Okay, don't move it. Ooh.
Oh. Ah. Oh. She made it one.
Oh.
Oh,
so close.
I have more.
Oh.
I have one more.
Okay.
Yay.
All right, let's see how many points I got. I got 30. She got 30 points. Because there's
It's
numbers.
wiggling.
So we're going to leave the link below where these came from if you guys want some. And how much fun did you have, Dan?
Good.
I had so much fun. It's like 100% fun. But, so, like and subscribe. Bye, CraftyTae and Van. Peace.